Hi, I'm Zeb, and this is my 4x4 Road to 145 series. I am a little bit slower than my friend, but that's all right because I don't practice it as much. This solve was pretty good. I got a 159.55, barely sub 2 minute. This is my first sub 2 minute this year, so that's really good. And this solve had good F2L, really good centers. Not that good of edge pairing, just kind of normal edge pairing, but really solid last layer except for my OLL parity, but that's all right. I will be posting one video per 2 days until I get 145 on 4x4, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed these, and continue to support our channel because at 100 followers at the end of the year, we may or may not have a special surprise coming. So, like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and enjoy the rest of the solve. Forgot to mention, here's the scramble if you want to try the scramble out. Have a great day.